A letter from Kate. My mom and dad took me to visit with my Nan. Nan is my mom's mom. She is an artist, and she has a cabin out in the west. A cabin out in the west. At the start of my time with Nan, I was sad. It seemed like it would be a boring summer. But in the end, I had a lot of fun. Whew. As you can tell, that was a letter from Kate. We had some AR words that said R, like artist, start. We had some OR words like boring. And we had an ER word that said like in summer. Whew. Great job, guys. And then for our spelling words, we have the word horn, which has the OR sound, or horn can be like a horn on an animal or like a musical instrument horn. We have the word porch, or says or in porch. This is a porch. It's in the front of a house. The word short, or says or in short. This girl is short compared to this tall man. Park, AR says R, like in park. This is a park that people can visit. This is the word barns. AR says R in barns. This is one barn. The word herd. ER says herd. This is a herd of animals. Animals sometimes travel in a herd all together. Our last spelling word is verb. We talk about nouns and verbs. Verbs is something you can do. They are doing something. They are doing a verb. And finally, our tricky word that we have to know how to spell is the word said. I said, great job doing your homework.